Today we're going to talk about changing out a direct set transom or sidelight glass. Tools we're going to need are a deglazing tool, and if you do not have a deglazing tool, floppy or putty knife works pretty well. First thing, we want to get this window cleaner, spray it along the edges there. And then take your lead deglazing tool and you're going to slip it in there and just start working the edges. Like I said, if you don't have a deglazing tool, work a putty knife in there. When we get to the inside, we want to get a suction cup, attach it to the glass. And then we put some masking tape on here to protect the trim. You just want to take a putty knife, trim, and on the inside, on the bottom, you're going to take a more glass cleaner and a deglazing tool or a putty knife, because the bottom sometimes has butyl and it'll make it a little difficult for this trim. And then after that, you might have some nails poking out from the trim. So we just want to take some cutters. We want to cut these nails. And we are ready to remove the glass. And then just set it aside. Now we're going to take the glazing tape off of the frame just by using a putty knife. So after removing the glazing tape, there'll be some leftovers. Just take some alcohol, rub it down, get it all off there, and make a nice clean surface. Then we're going to start reinstalling the glazing tape. I've already installed the top piece. Next, we're going to overlap same thing on the opposite side. So after we have the glazing tape on all four sides, overlapped in all four corners, we will install some silicone in top corners and bottom corners. We will then reinstall the glass and reinstall the stops. And that is a quick overview on how to change out a direct set on a transom or sidelight. Thank you.